Hi, this is Jeremy Nagel with another Zoho video, answering a question from Mike on the forums. He wants to know if it's possible to restrict access to records in Zoho CRM so that certain users wouldn't be able to see certain records that they shouldn't have access to. What we can do is we can use, in this case, territory management. So what you can do is, in Enterprise Edition, you've got access to territories. So we can create a new territory that will be external associates. You appoint a manager, then you add certain users to it. And so what we'll do is we'll say that there will be two territories. There is the parent territory, which is your company, and then there's the external associates territory. And what we can do is we can say that the external associates can only see records that are inside the external associates territory, whereas we'll have an all records territory, and that will be the parent of the external associates one. So everyone else will be able to access, the non-external associates will be able to access everything, but external associates will only be able to access a limited subset of records. So if I make it like this, so that might have to actually kill that. Create a new territory underneath it. So now what we've got all records, which will be the default territory, but then you've also got the external territory. So for example, I can assign this one to a certain territory. And then if I make it part of the external territory, then the external parties will be able to access it. Otherwise they won't. And you could do it the other way around as well. But territory management is a very powerful way of segmenting your database so that certain people can see records and other people can't see records. Hopefully that helps solve your problem. The other way that you could handle it is by setting up role hierarchies. So you've got the same thing here, that what you could do is you can have all of your staff up here, and then you've got the external associates here. So your normal staff and you would be able to see all records, including ones that are assigned to external associates, whereas external associates would only be able to see records that are assigned to them. And you can also change it so that they will share data with peers here. So if you wanted all external associates to be able to see all records, then you can enable this setting. Otherwise, if each external associate is an island into itself, then you would not tick that box. Hopefully that sheds some light on the situation.